Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we can make course and course details dynamic. In last session, I think we completed the CRUD operation for course as well as course categories, and that too based on the prompt. Now in this video, and by using prompt, I want to make course and course details dynamic in the front end. This is the prompt I have given. I'm going to upload some of the existing files also so that it is going to be a very good reference to the AI tool. It will analyze the uploaded files as well as it will generate a proper output for us in the blade template. Now we need to make two templates dynamic. One is course blade.php, other one is course details blade.php. These two templates. I'm just hinting what you need to do in course details blade as well as what you need to do in blade.php. So this is a prompt. I already prepared the prompt in the editor as well. So let me copy the prompt. Let me continue with the ChatGPT. That I just want to continue where I left off. As well as you can see, I added some courses randomly in different categories. Right, we will see. Let us open ChatGPT. So I'm continuing in the thread that where I left off in the last session. Just I'm adding the prompt without fail. Please add migration files as well as models as well as your controller, right? As well as your blade files also, if you can upload, it can analyze all these files properly so that it can make the templates dynamic, right? Let me upload all these migrations. So the last 4 migrations, what I uploaded, create courses. This is already uploaded, this file, this file, this file. 3 files I'm uploading. As well as it's a very good idea to upload the blade templates. Let me go to the blades. In resources, we have views, we have pages, course and course details blade. Both I'm uploading. Let me go to my it's time to upload web.php also. Let me try to upload web.php. Let me try to go in resources. Let me try to upload my partials, header and footers also. Let me go to views and partials. We have header, footer. Both I'm uploading. I think it's a good practice. It can analyze everything. It can but we need to make 2 files only dynamic, right? But no problem. We can add all those files so that it can generate all these things properly. Now I just want to go to my controller. In my controller, you please upload your page controller. Yeah, this is the page controller that we need to upload. If you want, you can upload the models also, right? I think it's not a problem. Yeah, I hope I'm done with the necessary files. Now I'm going to hit enter. Yeah, it is giving the code. First, we are in web.php. Let's open web.php and please try to add these two. So let me close. These migrations files are not required. So where is my web.php? It is in routes. 1 minute, 1 second. So this is web.php. Remove these two static things. I just want to add the following things too. Now, what is the next step? It is a time to work with the page controller. It's giving 3 functions. Already we have 2 functions inside for fetching blog information. So don't do anything, just copy these. Yeah. So now you can open your controller. In the controller, so you remove these two. These two are not required. Just I'm adding the following. We are done. I think we have to import some libraries here. So this is, yeah, we have to import this. I think we have to import these 3 only. Blog and already there. We don't want to import blog and blog category. Just we need to import these 2. Fine. Any other? So we have courses blade.php. Copy this code. Just open your resources. We have pages, courses blade.php. I just want to remove and paste this code. Fine. Now let's go down and here you can find course details blade.php. Copy the code and just open the blade, remove the existing HTML and add the following. What is the next thing that we need to work? I think relationships. In course model, they're asking to do this. Confirm you have these or not. I think we have these already. I think we did them. It is if we can open course model.php. I think we already added them. But anyhow, we will verify one more time. Just go to this model. This is the course model.php. If we can see categories as well as created by. Can you see? It is created by C categories. It is there. As well as if we can open C category, inside that model, we will see this. Just we will verify, cross check. Yeah, we have courses method. So we don't want to do this. The next thing in user model.php, if we can go to user model.php, we have courses. I think this is already available inside of it. Fine. So I think storage link, this is not required. It is already done. Okay, fine. I hope we are done. So now let me execute the application. I hope all the files are got saved. Let me try to refresh my homepage and let me see. And this is admin. Already we added some courses here and let me verify this. Yeah, we got some error. Let me try to uh, copy this error. Let me try to paste this error into this. Okay, I'm getting the below error of writing the code. Getting below error. Just let me execute this. Let us hit enter and let us see what it will give. But exactly what is the location? If we can mention that location, that's well and good. But here we are unable to see that exact the file. Maybe this is in web.php or somewhere that we will see what it will, AI will give. It is analyzing. You are seeing that because courses.index. Okay, I think this is just they are asking to remove the index. Okay, you go to web.php. I understand that may be the issue, but earlier we don't have index here. But try to go to the browser and let me try to refresh it and let me try to check. Yeah, course details is also not found. Let me try to ask this again, getting below error. Again, below error. Please fix. Yeah, this time courses.show. Option 1, rename the route matches to view call. Okay, they're asking to do like this. The second error means something in our code or blade template calls details, but no route with the name exists. Okay, so there is no details. We have something called show. Let me write this already. We have show. I think I need to make this as details. Let me try to make this as details. Let us see. Okay, we are done, I hope. Okay, let me clear this cache and everything. So open terminal and clear the cache. Artisan route clear, cache clear, done. Or else you run optimize clear also. Let me hit refresh it. Only the problem I'm thinking in web.php. Yeah, so I think we don't have any error, but we didn't do anything in the homepage dynamic, but we make courses and blog only dynamic. Let us click this and let me see. Yeah, I hope now this time somewhat better way it is giving. Very nice, but not the design as we expected. Okay, but we are getting different design. But fine. But as an expected way, all courses I'm getting. This you can see. But two times all courses are getting. But any one is okay. But what will happen? I created one category as all courses. Otherwise, you remove it. No problem. Okay. So what I will do, if you can go to the back end, we will see two things, I believe, Node.js and PHP MySQL. Very nice. Front end, maybe you will see some other thing, HTML, advanced JavaScript, and Bootstrap. And this is web technologies, and we will see those four web technologies. Oh, sorry, total six. I added all these six courses in the web technologies. So, but anyhow, we are getting. But why this is all courses two times getting added? This is already I added as a category in the database. And if you can go to your course categories, you remove that category. Yep. So where is all courses? Let me try to delete this. Delete. Yeah, deleted. Now, if you can go and refresh it, we will see all courses as well as backend, front end, and the web technologies. And the tab system is also working. If you want, you can change the design, but it is not provide the design as we expected. So earlier our HTML design is different and this design is different. If you're okay with this design, fine. Now, otherwise you ask the AI, I don't want this. I need three courses per row or four courses per row. Like this, if we can able to explain, definitely it can try to do. But see, we need to remember one thing, AI tools can give the output. Sometimes the output is not expected way. Definitely you have to re-ask. You have to ask the AI tool again. I don't want to this output. I need a different output. Definitely AI tools can do. And homepage, we didn't make anything in homepage dynamic, but my agenda is what? Two things I want to make dynamic. Of course, I can make all these also dynamic by going to admin panel again. So here, the homepage, our popular courses. So all the courses, whatever the courses we have here, those courses needs to be here. And the recent 3 blogs I need to be here also. Let me ask the AI tool. So we have the following. What I will do. So please. What is the main blade? Homeblade.php. Let me upload this homeblade.php. Yeah, copy this homeblade.php. Let me try to add here. So we'll finish this also. Homeblade.php. In homeblade.php, please. What is the main blade? Homeblade.php. Let me upload this homeblade.php file. Please make the, what is this title? Popular courses dynamic. Please make the popular courses section dynamic. As well as please make the blog section also dynamic. What is the blog section title? I don't know, but let me see. Latest from our blog section also dynamic. Just display 3 latest blogs. So please rewrite the file. Please rewrite the blade file as well as please add the required code in pagecontroller.php. Okay, so let me try to hit enter. We are just asking those two only. Yeah, home page. They're creating one function, home function. This function is dynamic now. Previously, it is not dynamic. Okay. Let me open your page controller. So let me add the home function. So this is the page controller. We have home function on top. This is the home function on top. So only about function is not dynamic. So sorry. Let me copy the code. Home function got added. After home function is added, do we need to do any changes? That also we need to verify. Now in homepage also, all the courses are dynamic. And even if you can click from here, you will go to the course details blade. And if you can see, this is a blog. Even if you can click here, you will go to blog details where we can see all the information of the blog. We are not writing code. Almost all the work we are doing is copy paste only. So what I will do, the final and working template, I will upload into GitHub. From there, you can download. And if you want, you can use it. Just my idea is here what, by using prompt, using AI tools, how fast we can complete our application development. That is our agenda of our this entire series. Thank you. Thank you all. We can meet in another exciting series. Thank you very much.